When you talk about a chaotic match, that was what we just witnessed between Manchester United and Chelsea. And Manchester United had to squeeze that 3 point out of Chelsea. Congratulations to Manchester United finally winning a big team this season. Yes, their second victory in the Premier League, and against Chelsea, it was a very crazy match. Hand-to-hand stop between the two sides. And you could point out individuals that messed up in the game. And Robert Sanchez, I mentioned it in my last post that is always an error away from a problem for Chelsea, and that's what happened today. The defense also let him down in that situation, and he got that red card. And I felt that the coach of Chelsea, he acted on impulse. He didn't calm down before he started removing some of his key players, because after Manchester United got their second yellow card, after Manchester United got their red card, I'm sure that the coach regretted they made those early substitutions, because if they didn't remove Estival, for example, or Pedro Neto, or even Cole Palmer, if only Cole Palmer remained in that game, even with the man down, it would have caused a lot of problems against Manchester United, because Manchester United is not a team that will hold Cole Palmer from playing the football, especially what we saw against Bayern Munich. But he made those rash substitutions. Cole Palmer was even angry, he had to walk into the tunnel. Immediately that substitution was made, and in the second half we saw Chelsea fight back so much. They couldn't create so many chances, and they eventually lost that game 2-1. Back-to-back losses for Chelsea. 3-1 against Bayern Munich, 2-1 against Manchester United, and Ruben Amorim will sleep peacefully this night. Just for this night, too. Just for this night, because his trouble continues tomorrow. But I just felt that, come on, Casemiro, you can't be getting that kind of red card. You can't be picking a second yellow card when you know you're already on a yellow card, and you're all over the player like that. Come on, experience from Real Madrid, from different titles that you've won. You can't be picking that kind of red card, because it could have cost Manchester United that 3 points today. I'm sure that he's going to celebrate. He's going to buy beer for the boys today, because that red card could have cost. If Manchester United and Chelsea had stayed longer than an extra 10 minutes, Chelsea might have found a way to equalize that particular game. So good victory for Manchester United today. They came out with a lot of character, with a lot of attitude in the first 10 minutes, first 15 minutes of the game, and it paid up for them. The first goal was scored by Bruno Fernandes. If Manchester United scored 2 goals, you know Fernandes will be part of the goals. The second goal was scored by Casemiro with his head, and he also got a red card in the first half. And for Bruno Fernandes, he could have gotten a second goal in that game, but that didn't quite work out. But for Manchester United, like I said, they had to squeeze that point out of Chelsea. And for Chelsea, the coach acted on impulse today. He should have calmed down